Hi class, it's Professor Yuk, and this video is a short introduction for the assignments related to a Module 2, and we are at the core 3100, developing an entrepreneurial mindset. So the Module 2, and we basically briefly touched the topics this past Friday, is about need finding using personas, different types of observations, interviews, and communication techniques that we can use to somehow analyze a potential customer, but also to analyze an employer, to analyze an opportunity that we may have for our future job. So this module have two important assignments. Both assignments are now posted and are available on the Canvas. And let me walk you through these two assignments. So the first assignment is basically about interviews. So you will be asked to conduct an contextual interview, and you can find more about the contextual interviews online. There are different documents available for you to study and to learn what the contextual interview is. But also we'll be practicing about different types of interviews next Friday, so on February 22nd. So in this assignment, you will be asked to perform an interview of a person who is making a decision, who is, let's say, deciding which courses to take next semester, who is maybe deciding to buy something new, who is facing a decision. So you would be asked to interview the person, you will be asked to analyze the context of the decision, you will be asked to analyze, as it says here, so who the person is, what the person is trying to do, where are we, so what's the environment, why is person trying to do something like choose a course or buy a product, when is person going to do this, and how, so what will be the process. And basically you really will be asked to find the real person. It can be your colleague, it can be your parent, it can be your friend. So try to be very proactive and try to find somebody that you will be able to interview. It's not a very complex interview, but it's the assignment when you will be able to practice different types of interviews. So the deadline for this assignment is February 27th, and as I said, the assignment is already posted on the Canvas. The second assignment is about developing a persona. So it's analyzing a customer profile. So with this, you would be asked to analyze your future customer profile. So basically, a person who may be your future user, a person who will be using your future products or services related to your program, right? Related to your major. So if it's like a game design, we can somehow assume that we have just developed a game. So, and we are interviewing, we are analyzing a persona, we are analyzing a future customer who will buy, who will be our user. So your persona should include, and it says it's described in the assignment, also the demographic and psychological details, and basically you will be asked to somehow think about, so who will be this potential customer. So you will be asked to analyze the customer profile, and as an it's written in the assignment, so you will be asked to submit 1 to 2 pages of the new customer profile. So this is it. So we have 2 assignments for module number 2. Module number 2 will end just before the semester break, and this is it. So with this short information, I will wrap up the video. I wish you a very productive week, and we'll see each other next Friday.